Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create your Forest account. Well, it's quite easy, so all you have to do is make sure that Forest application is downloaded on your phone, and you can simply open the application, then simply tap on the option already have an account, and then here you get the option of login or sign up for Forest. So if you already have an account, you can simply choose to add down your email address, or if you have continued with your Apple ID, you can do that. And if you haven't yet created your account, you can now tap on the either option continue with email, or if you want to connect your Forest account with your Apple ID, you can also tap on continue with Apple. For now, I'm going to continue with my email, and then in here you'll have to enter your email address. So after entering your email address, tap on continue. And in here, you'll have to now enter your name and create yourself a strong password, and then retype the password in order to confirm it, and you'll have to add down your date of birth. So after entering your name and creating password, retyping the password and entering your date of birth, here you'll have to tap on this option. I have read the terms and condition and agree with it. So after doing that, here tap on continue. And in here, your email verification will be needed. So you can simply open your email inbox just like this. And in here, you'll get this code right here. All you need to do is simply copy this code just like this, and then go back and simply enter the code right here. Just like this, here you can see I have entered the code. Now simply tap on sign up. And now in here, you'll get the option of planting the forest. So all you have to do is simply drag this plant right here to the pot, just like this, and tap on continue. Tap on I'll focus. Then tap on keep focusing. And finally tap on grow change. After doing that, here, simply tap on start now. And just like this, here, if you want to get the notification, you can tap on remind me. So in here, if you want to buy their premium, you can tap on try for $0. For now, it would be free for some few days, or you can simply tap on this cross icon right here. And in here, you can see we have now successfully created ourselves Forest account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.